Hello, everyone. Welcome to your favorite cat pressure quantifiers. My name is Sahil Arora. Now, in today's set of the day, we are going to do a very interesting set on frictions, right? And before we solve this set, there are three things that I want to tell you. First, I hope that आप हमारी जो DILR की playlist है जिसमें around 200 sets हैं with video solutions, आप उसको कर रहे हैं regularly. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपको सारी अपडेट्स आपके व्हाट्सएप में मिले तो जस्ट फिल अ फॉर्म इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन यू विल स्टार्ट रिसीविंग इट वेरी सून ऑलराइट and moreover if you have any queries around us, we are going to start our crash course very soon. You can always connect us at the number given in the description right above and below. All right, let's see today's set. What is it about? It says in a box there are some candies. Each candy is either spherical or oval. So there are some candies. The candies can be spherical or oval. All right, sweet or salty. Sweet, salty, red or green. So basically there are 8 varieties possible. Two options, two options, two options. There are 8 total options which are possible for a candy to be. All right, then there are some combinations given to us that on their taste and shape, this is given to us. All right. Now now I know that I have to further fabricate it. All right. So if I have to further fabricate, I should make a table like such where I can place all my fractions very carefully, right? Like just I made that first. There are 2 categories, then there are 4 categories, then there are 8 categories, right? So let's make a table like that and start to fill the values. Now spherical and oval, each spherical can be red green, oval can be red green, red can be sweet salty, and so on and so forth. First of all, it is given to me that 3 by 5 of the candies are spherical. So if 3 by 5 are spherical, 2 by 5 are oval. Simple as that. Okay. Now 2 by 7 of the oval candies are red. So oval candies 2 by 7 are red. So 2 by 7 of this, that is 4 by 35. If this is 4 by 35, if 2 by 7 are red, then 5 by 7 are green. So 2 by 7 it is. In the fraction terms, 2 by 7. This is green. Right? Very easy up to this step. 3 by 7 of red candies are spherical in shape. So whatever the total number of red candies are, of that 3 by 7 is spherical in the shape. So if 3 by 7 is spherical in the shape, can I say 4 by 7 must be oval in the shape? है ना? अगर हमें दिया हुआ बेटा spherical की हमें दिया हुआ that spherical are 3 by 7 है ना? Total fraction तो अपनी 1 ही है. If spherical are 3 by 7, oval must be 4 by 7, and that is equivalent to what? That is equal to 4 by 35. Right? Red की हमें oval candies 4 by 7 है, that is equal to 4 by 35. So red candies are 1 by 5. Red candies are 1 by 5. All right. So if red candies are 1 by 5 and 4 by 35 are here, so how much must be here? 1 by 5 minus 4 by 35, that is 3 by 35 must be here. See, the table will keep on getting filled itself. You just have to be careful about the calculations and numbers. Now this is 3 by 5, this is 3 by 35. So rest must be this part. So 3 by 5 minus 3 by 35, 721, 18 by 35. All right, this is the part that is given to us. Now 3 by 8 of the oval candies are sweet. Oval candies 2 by 5 है हमारे पास. Out of that 3 by 8 are sweet. Right, that is 3 by 20 are sweet. All right, so sweet are 3 by 20. All right, sweet are 3 by 20. Whereas 2 by 5 of the sweet candies are oval shape. So whatever the sweet candies are, of the sweet candies, 2 by 5 is oval shape. Sweet candies की जो 2 by 5 है, वो oval shape sweet है. All right, that is equal to 3 by 20. Right, that is equal to 3 by 8. Now total sweet candies are 3 by 8. If 3 by 20 are here, 3 by 8 minus 3 by 20, that is 40, 50 minus 9 by 40 must be here. All right. Nine by 40, 40 must be here. Now, this is given to us. 3 by 8 of the organized sweet variance by right. So also the last sentence is left. 1/8 of the green salty candies is equal to red sweet candies. 1/8 of green salty is equal to red sweet. All right. Okay. What else is given? 1/8 of the red candies are sweet and oval in shape. How many are red? Red are 1 by 5. इसकी जो 1/8 है, 1/8 of the red candies are sweet and oval. Right, red. So that is equal to 1 by 40. So this part is equal to 1 by 40. If this part is 1 by 40, this part would be 3 by 20 minus 1 by 40. That is 5 by 40. That is 1 by 8. All right, that is 1 by 8. Now this part is now see total was 4 by 35. This was 1 by 40. So this remaining would be what? 4 by 35. 1 by 40. 4 by 35 minus 1 by 40 would be 13 minus 40. It seems 280. 35 8 for the 32. 47. 25 by 280. That is 5 by 56. That is 5 by 56. All right. Similarly, 2 by 7 minus 1 by 8. That is 9 by 56. These values are filled. Now I'm left with only one relation. All right. I'm left with only one relation to fill. Let's work upon that. Let me just erase it. Now I have to include these values. Listen to me carefully. 1/8 of the green salty candies. Green salty are this one and this one. 9 by 56 in this part has to be included with red sweet candies. This part and this part. All right. So I will try to use as less variables as possible. Let us call this A. If the total is 9 by 40, this is 9 by 40 minus A. This would be what? So this part would be 3 by 35 minus A. This part would be 18 by 35 minus 9 by 40 plus A. 35 40 LCM is 280. 35 weighted 144 minus 47 63 plus A. So 81 by 280 plus A. 81 by 280 plus A. Right, this is the part. Now let's try to apply the last relationship. What does the last relationship says? 1 by 8 of the number of green salty candies. 1 by 8 of the number of green salty. Now what are green salty? This part and this part, these two parts. All right. So 1 by 8 of 81 by 280 plus A plus 9 by 56. 1 by 8 of this part is equal to red candy. Sorry, is equal to red sweet. Red sweet are A and 1 by 40. Right. These are red sweet. This is red sweet and this is red sweet. These are the two red sweet parts. All right. So 8 को यहाँ भेज देते हैं. That would be 8A plus 1 by 5. Right. 8 by 40 is 1 by 5. 81 by 80. 285 9 the 45 126 by 280 plus A is equal to this 556. 56 minus 70 by 280 is equal to 7A, and 10A comes out to be 1 by 28. Let me just check my calculations. A comes out to be 1 by 28. That is perfect. As soon as A is 1 by 25, I can fill the rest of the values, right? A is 1 by 28. All right. Salty would be 3 by 35 minus 1 by 28. So LCM is 180, 35 is 24, 10, 14, 14 by this, 1 by 20. Yeah, 1 by 20, 14 by 20, 1 by 20. Right. All right, 9 by 40 minus 1 by 28 again. Yes, 140, 280, 763 minus this, so it would be 3 by 280. Okay, if you are solving it right now, please keep on checking my calculations. And this would be 81 by 280 plus A, that was 1 by 40, 7, 1 by 28, then 91 by 280. 91 by 280 would be 713, the 740, the 13 by 40. This part would be 13 by 40. Right. Now this completes your set, right? Now everything is just answer. You just have to mark the answers, right? Now we will go to the answers also, but before that, there are some other methods also by which you could have pursued this set. If you see the denominators are 1 by 8, 1 by 5, 1 by 7, the fraction involved. All right, so we can use them and assume the value to be 280, right? LCM of 875. But again, there is a bit, scope of error. Why? If there was some fraction which comes out to be, let us say, 53 by 560 during the solving process, अगर ऐसी fraction आ जाती तो कुछ पंगा पड़ता, because in that case minimum fraction should have minimum candy should have been 560. But in this case, I could have actually done that, but that was kind of a hit and trial for this question. Now this is complete. All right. Now let's move to the questions. Now the first question says that what is the minimum number of candies that can be there? All right. I know that the minimum number of candies have to be a multiple of 280 because the fraction is 280. So 280 is the minimum value I can take for this question. So the answer to the first question is 280. What is the minimum number of red spherical candies? Red spherical 3 by 35. So minimize karna hai. For minimize, I have to take 280 as minimum. So that would be 24. Which of the following is largest? Spherical green salty. Spherical green salty is 13 by 40. Spherical red sweet. Spherical red sweet 1 by 20. That is lesser. Oval red salty. Oval red salt is 5 by 56. Again lesser. Oval green salty. Again lesser. So highest is spherical green salty. All right. The highest is spherical green salty. You can actually take it to be 280 and solve all the fractions just in case if you are not comfortable with comparing fractions. You can take 280 to be the number and calculate these values because 280 is a kind of a constant and all the fractions will remain true. How many of the following statements are definitely a multiple of 5? First, oval red salty candies. Oval red salty candies. 5 by 56, 280 definitely a multiple of 5 because 5 is in the numerator. Oval green salty. Oval green salty. 56 again a multiple of 5 because 280 is the minimum value. 56 5 to 280. Right? Oval green salty. अगर आप देख रहे हो 9 by 56 into 280 is the minimum value, so I will have to cut it on 5. Right? So 5's multiple will definitely be there. Oval green sweet candles. Oval green sweet. So 1 by 8. 1 by 8 of 280 will be again multiple of 5. So all the three statements. Sorry. So this completes our set, a pretty interesting one on fractions if you are comfortable. And if you are not comfortable, this can take you around an hour also. All right. Otherwise, it is a set of approximately 9 to 10 minutes. All right. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.